Hey, what's up guys? My name is JupaHe64 and welcome to the third part of my tutorial series on the Odyssey editor. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up platforms. Okay, first of all, let's start with the most basic platform ever. Just some solid ground. It's called a fixed map part, which you can see right here. And yeah, there's nothing much you can set up with this. It's just this event wait action name, which I think has something to do with animations. So just keep it as wait. Okay. Now I'm just quickly going to delete all these objects and make my own level with it. Kind of. For example, we can do forest, world, cloud, bonus, x, ground, 0, 0, 0. Which is this. Okay, now I'm just going to put that, like, rotate it first. Yeah, okay. And now just try to align this to here. Yep, almost perfect. Okay, so now we have our basic setup. Now, let's do something more advanced. Like, so now we are going to add a moving platform. For example, I'm just going to do special to cloud key move parts 0, 0, 0. Oh, forgot the world. Okay, now we're talking. Yep, this one. That's great. Okay, just move it into position. Perfect. Okay, and now let's set this up. Okay, speed is the distance per frame. Like, should it move 1 unit per frame or 2 units per frame? I can't really show that off. Like, just add 1 to this. You will see that's how much it's going to move. Probably you didn't see that because it's pretty low. Just going to make it moving by 10. Yeah, maybe you saw that. I'm going to move it by 100. That's something you could definitely see, I hope. Yeah, keep in mind this is not how much it moves in a second. It moves in a frame, so don't put that value too high, okay? I guess some nice value is probably 5. Yeah, and first of all I should explain how this thing works. It has defined positions like keys. This is one key, then here's one key, and here's one key, and here's one key. So it's going to do like, okay. And speed by time is just going to tell it like how much time, how much frames it takes to get to the next spot. So for example, if you want it to be really fast, you can just make this 1. And then it's going to be, which is probably not what you want, of course, but yeah, you can do that. Just wanted to say that. But I'm not really going to use this. I'm just going to use the actual speed and set it to 5. Alright. Now the next thing is delay time. That just means once it gets a signal to start moving, by default that's when the level is loaded, but it can also be is floor touch start, which just means once you touch it, it will start to move. Yeah, it's just how long it's going to take until it actually, oh, property is invalid, of course. Yeah, I'm just going to say 30. So it's like, okay, wait time is how long is he's going to wait when he reaches the next key. So if I set this to, well, just say 120, it's going to wait for 2 seconds. So okay. And now something really cool is the move type, because right now with the 0, the actual movement this thing is going to do is okay. So it just goes back to the starting position. Then with 1, it's just going to move the way backwards. So okay. And then there is 2, which actually is what I showed the first time. It's just going to do. And then there is 3. It's going to do. It's immediately going to snap to this position. And it's not going to update Mario's position. So you're actually going to fall, as if the platform would disappear, which would not be the case if it would just go back. Okay, that's the main difference. And then there is the interpolate type, which might be a little difficult to understand, especially if you don't know what interpolate is. It just means like the speed behavior. Yeah, and you can set that for every movement, as well as speed and basically all this, except move type. Move type is for everything, but that makes just sense. Okay, yeah. Now let's just make some path. First, I'm just going to check if the setup is right. And now see. Okay, I'm just going to show you the interpolate times with this. Yeah, wait time is way too high. Just going to do it 60. Yeah, and this is all fine. Yeah, it's floor touch start. I'm just going to check that because it's a pretty good one, and I'm just going to make it so it goes backwards again, so I can get on it. Okay, delay time. I'm just going to make that pretty high so you can definitely see that. Like it's stood. Yeah, okay. You will see that. Okay, and now add move key. Yeah, for some reason this doesn't work too well because they are overlapping. It's bad, I know. Okay, interpolate type. There it is. 1. Add move key. Right here. And actually, one cool thing, which I'm of course going to show off that you can do with this, is apply rotation. That's what makes this moving platform so special. You can actually give it a rotation. So it's just like rit. Okay, and now set the interpolate type to 2. Add another move key. Set the rotation to like 20. This actually looks pretty nice. And set the interpolate type for this one to 3. Not sure how well this is going to turn out, probably not too well. We'll see, I guess. Okay, and I'm just going to go back really fast, so I'm going to make it like 15. So it's like like something like this. Probably it's going to be really slow or really fast. I'm not sure. Okay. So that's the first thing. The second thing is rotating platforms. So add just made some notes down here, so yeah. This is a really good moving platform and it just fits perfectly into this. Like with the color and all that. It's really nice. Okay, I'm just going to make it like this. Awesome. Okay, now let's look into what we can set right here. Well, there's the rotate speed, which is, that confused me a bit when I first did some experiments with this, but it's actually the degrees you wanted to move in a frame, you wanted to rotate in a frame, times 100. Don't know why Nintendo did that, but that's just how you have to set it up. So, for example, this 18,000 is the highest speed this can get. Everything else is the other direction. 9,000 would just mean it would be like this. But like for every frame. So that's really fast. I'm just going to set it to 90. Not sure why, but I think that's a good one. Or I think I'm actually going to make it 100, so it moves 1 degree by frame. Okay. Rotate axis is which axis it's going to rotate around. So I think this is 1. This is no wait, this is 0. This is 1, and this is okay. I'm just going to make it like this so you can see it better. 0, 1, 2. Okay, so as you can see, what makes the most sense for this platform is rotating it around 1. Okay, that makes sense, right? Great. Okay, now let's add another platform. This one. Okay, and this is a clock map part, or it's clock map parts. So that means that you actually have some more settings for this one, and like they are different. Yeah, I think I'm just going to put it right here. Maybe, maybe not. Okay. Now, clock angle degree is something really important. 0 just means you would see no difference. Actually, I'm not sure if that would even work. So just make it something else than that. Like, I'm just going to do... I want to do 90, but that's a little very generic. Okay, I'm just going to do 180, so it's going to do like do. Okay. Um, Delay time is the same as for the move thing. Then you have rotate time, which just means how long it takes for each of these steps to be finished. Just going to make it 1 second. So rotate time is 60. And the wait time is like how long it takes, how long it waits, like before it rotates again. I'm just going to set that to actually 2 seconds. Okay. Yeah. Not sure. Yeah, okay. There is rotate axis again. In this case, it would make sense to go around this axis. So just setting it to 2. And that's it. Okay. And now I just want to show you something really cool about platforms, because you can just simply change their model if you want to. There are some limits, but basically you can just do that. For example, not sure if I can do that with any of these. Yeah, this one. This one is, I think, a great example. I'm just going to set it to cap world home timer 000 step. Oh wait, is it fixed parts? No, it's move parts. Move parts 000. That's the wrong part. I think it's key. Then no. Is it 1? Yeah, okay. These ones. I'm just going to rotate that by some, like this. Okay. And now this one is going to rotate. And as you can see, this is actually meant to be a key move part. Like a key movement part. One of these. But not in this case. Okay. So yeah, now you know the most important things about these platforms, and I hope you can do your own level. I'm just quickly going to test out the level, and I'll see you in game. Alright, now we enter the level, and yeah, as you can see, everything looks fine, everything works, and yeah, this thing should move. It does. Okay, yeah, and you can see this is some very even speed. And now you will see it starts slow and gets faster. Yeah, I think you can see that, yeah. Okay. Now it's starting fast and getting slower and slower. And now it just rushes back with some kind of easing. Okay. And this one just rotates at a pretty decent speed, I think. Yeah, this is some normal speed. Okay. And this one, I know this looks a little different than it was in the editor. It's rotated a little bit, but yeah, it just works fine. Oh god, I suck. Yeah, but I think you can see how everything of this works. Just fine. Mhm. This just looks so cool. Yeah. Okay, now let's try to get on this platform. Nice. Now as you can see, you can hang on it and everything just works as you would expect it. Okay, yeah, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, just leave me a like and also, of course, a comment if you didn't get some point or want to know something more. Um, yeah, alright. Thanks for watching and bye.